Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be discuss about overseas company formation. Forming a company overseas can be a complex process that depends on the specific country and legal requirements involved. Here is a general overview of the steps and considerations for overseas company formation. Market research. Start by researching the target country's market, regulations, and business climate. Identify the demand for your products or services and potential competitors. Choose a country. Select the country where you want to form your overseas company. Consider factors like political stability, tax laws, ease of doing business, and proximity to your target market. Company name. Check if your desired company name is available and complies with the naming conventions in the target country. In some cases, it may be necessary to translate or adapt your company name. Registration. Register your company with the relevant government authorities in the target country. This may involve submitting the necessary documents, such as articles of incorporation, business plans, and financial statements. Legal requirements. Ensure compliance with local laws and regulations, including tax, employment, and industry-specific regulations. You may need to obtain licenses and permits, register for taxes, and comply with labor laws. Bank account. Open a local bank account for your overseas company to handle financial transactions in the local currency. Physical presence. Set up a physical office or establish a virtual presence, such as a website, in the target country to build credibility with local customers. Taxation. Understand the tax obligations of your overseas company. Consult with a local accountant or tax advisor to navigate the tax laws, including corporate income tax, value-added tax, VAT, and withholding taxes. Employment. If you plan to hire employees locally, comply with labor laws, including employment contracts, benefits, and payroll taxes. Cultural sensitivity. Be aware of cultural nuances and differences in business etiquette in the target country. Building strong local relationships is crucial for success. Exit strategy. Plan an exit strategy in case your overseas venture doesn't succeed as expected. This could involve dissolving the company or selling assets. The process of overseas company formation can vary significantly from one country to another. It's essential to work with experts who understand the local legal and business landscape to navigate the complexities successfully. If you are unsure about which type of document you need, a visa and immigration consultancy business like Elevance can provide you with expert guidance and support. Contact us at info@elevanceimmigration.com for more information.